How we doing today, Mike?
Very good, Jerry.
Awesome. Appreciate you not saying anything last time. You were probably the smartest person here, and I do appreciate that, okay? Make sure. There's your line. Alright, place your cell phone in the lobby. Placing that your cell phone. Okay, alright, cool. Anto? I don't know if that looks just like Anto. No fucking way. Do not. No, we gotta use this one or we gotta use that one. Hi, how you doing? Hi, I'm looking to do you're fine. I'm looking to do a FOIA request, and I wasn't sure if I would do that here for the employees of this building, or do I go to like the city clerk, or where is it that I would go? A FOIA request, yes, ma'am. A FOIA, Freedom of Information Act. Thank you. I wasn't talking to you, Siri. No, I'm trying to get information about employees, titles, salaries of employees of this building. Usage of what? Usage is prohibited. Can I not use this pen? Hi, how you doing? I'm sorry?
Can I have your camera in here?
Oh, why is that?
Because you cannot have your recording us without our knowledge.
Well, you're a public employee, ma'am.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah, it does. You work for the public, ma'am.
Sir, you can't have your camera in here.
Yes, I can,
No, you
ma'am.
can't.
This is a public lobby, correct?
Sir, I'm gonna get the bell.
Okay. I just walked through here with the camera on. Not quite sure what the issue is. This is a lobby, isn't it? How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good.
Can I get some help now, please?
Did you turn the camera off?
No, absolutely not.
I can't help you.
Well, this is a public lobby, ma'am. You work for the public.
But you cannot record us with your video camera.
Well, yes, I can, ma'am. You work for the public.
Sir Bolton, we've been through
Sir?
this. You're just boring.
No, I'm not trying to be boring, sir. I'm trying to fill out
But
paperwork.
you need to turn that off if you want to get your business done.
And so why is that, though? This is a
You're not
public
allowed to be
lobby, correct?
recording in here. You can't. There's signs all over the place.
Where does it say that, sir? Can you show me?
Just turn it off.
Can you show me the sign, sir?
Sign.
Can you show me the sign and I'll turn it off? Where it says I can't videotape in this public lobby, sir?
Bottom line is we're just going to call the Capitol Police again.
You can call the Capitol Police. I'm not breaking a law, sir. This is public property. This is the public lobby. If you show me a sign, I'll turn the camera off, sir. If you show me a sign that says I can't record in this lobby of this clerk's office. Sir, I've stated many times I'll stop recording if you just show me a simple sign that says that. Sir, if you just show me a sign, I'll simply stop recording this.
You're just not going to get any business done.
Well-
Capitol Police are on their way. They'll be able to talk to you.
Okay, that's fine. We'll wait for the police since you decided to call them. You guys will get educated. You guys will get educated today.
Thank you.
Can I have your name and badge number again for the record, sir?
You're so boring.
Can I have your name and badge number again for the record, sir?
My name is right on there.
Is that what you tell the judge, sir?
Pardon me?
Is that what you would tell the judge?
I don't get it.
Would you tell
What
the
are you talking
judge?
about?
Would you tell the judge that your name is right here if they asked you to identify yourself?
All the judges know me.
Well, I'm just, is
Why
that what
would
you
I do
would,
that?
is that what you would tell
Are you
them?
gonna play what ifs?
I'm just asking a question, sir.
That's boring too.
Okay. Okay. You want to identify yourself, sir?
Hi, I'm Terry Falter.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. And you have a badge number, Terry Falter?
I don't.
No? Okay.
I just come in and video everybody. That's all.
Oh, okay. Cool.
That's what I do.
All right. Well, looks like we're in the same boat, sir. Looks like we do the same thing. Inside the courtroom. Inside the courtroom. I've stated it multiple times, sir. If you just show me a simple, oh, Donahue, hey, how we doing? Can I show you a piece of paper real quick? Remember last week when you guys arrested me on 4 warrants and you said that I had all these warrants out? What does that say at the bottom there, sir? That says strike, bench, warrant, and reset, doesn't it?
Well, that's still one of them.
Well, yeah, you guys tried to make up a second one when I got down there, which again only happened because you guys denied me entrance to the building in the first place. But
Was there an active warrant?
no, I waited 6 hours in custody to get given this paperwork. You guys tried to tell me outside that I had 4 warrants. You guys came outside and said
that's
confirmed
initially.
he's got 4 warrants.
That was initially that but I guess
Yeah,
you did
but I
fill out
didn't. Yeah, I
paperwork.
did. Absolutely. And I tried to
But
tell
then-
you that, sir.
But then the sheriff's department said that you had 2 active
I know,
warrants.
and they were wrong. And they were wrong.
Did you see a commissioner?
Yeah, I did.
What was that about?
I had to go in there because they didn't give me this paperwork until I got out of there, unfortunately. So, yeah.
All right. Well,
I just wanted to let you know. That was
we go
all.
by the commissioner.
Yeah.
I mean, not the commissioner, the sheriff's department.
Yeah, I
Just
know.
confirmed, and you saw a commissioner.
But you could have
about
checked
it.
right here at this court clerk's office like I
did.
asked
I
you
got
to.
a copy of it.
But I have a copy of it here that says it was granted.
No, they didn't have a copy of that.
Oh,
When
well.
was that issued?
This is issued on the 2nd of December. Yeah.
All right. Well,
Okay. Thank you, sir. Wait, sir, can you inform them that this is a public lobby? I've asked multiple times. They said that I'm not allowed to video. Oh,
Sir, you can't videotape in a courthouse.
Okay, that's
no
fine.
courthouse in the state of Maryland can you videotape.
I just asked where the sign was that said that. They said it was posted. Sir, I don't have a problem turning the camera off. I just asked to be shown the sign. That's all.
Well, I don't
if you
know
guys-
what sign, but you can, it's
If
no,
you guys can show me, well, this is a public lobby of the courthouse, correct, sir?
Listen to me. You
Uh-huh.
cannot videotape in the courthouse. Any courthouse in the state of Maryland.
Says which law or what? I'm just asking, sir. Sir, I'm not trying to
I'm
escalate this.
asking-
Please de-escalate a little bit. You're breathing
I
heavy.
am.
Calm down. I'm just asking you if there's a sign or something that says I can't do this, so
Sir,
please explain it to
I'm
me.
telling you.
We can go outside if you don't
Right,
want me
yes,
to
we
stand
can,
here.
'cause
Yeah, that's
yeah.
fine. We can go outside to talk about this because I don't want you guys all upset with me. I don't have a problem turning the camera off if there's a sign that says that or going outside on the public property, which is out here. This is a First Amendment
No.
protected, sir. This is a First Amendment protected activity,
So,
sir.
are you going to talk or are you going to let
Well, I
me
was
talk?
trying to explain to you what I was doing,
No, I
sir.
don't need you to. I just need you to listen.
Okay.
You cannot video record in any courthouse in the state of Maryland.
It says the courtroom, sir. That's what the sign in there
The
says.
Courthouse at all.
Yes, I can, sir. Says what though?
All right, we'll wait till my lieutenant. He's on his way.
Okay, Chadwick.
No.
Okay.
What's your name? You got ID?
I do not have ID, sir. Am I breaking a law?
No, not at all.
Okay, then I don't need to ID myself.
You violating the law about recording in the courthouse.
No, that's public property, sir.
Okay,
That's a
okay,
public lobby
okay.
of public property. I don't need to ID myself unless I've broken a
I
law,
didn't, I
sir.
didn't say I didn't. I just asked you that you have ID.
Okay.
What's your name?
I'd rather not give that, sir.
Okay. So what is your business here in the courthouse?
I have business here, sir.
I'm just asking you, what's your business? So that's.
I'd rather
I can
not.
ask you
I'd
that.
rather not divulge my business, sir.
So you're saying what you're saying is you have business in the courthouse.
Yeah, I have business in the courthouse.
But you don't want to give me your name.
No, I don't want to give you my name.
So what office in the courthouse do you
please
have
don't.
business
Please
in?
don't stand behind me, sir.
You can't block the door. That's
Oh,
not
oh, I'm
opening
sorry.
the
I'm
door.
sorry. I apologize. I'll stand over here then. I just want to confirm that this out here is public property, correct? The sidewalk out here is public property, correct? Can you guys, this is public property? The sidewalk right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I can't assume. I need to know.
What are you filming
Oh, I'd rather not say, sir.
for? Why?
Why?
What's the secret?
Well, there's no secret, sir. I'd just rather not divulge my business until it's ready. So.
So you just come to the courthouse just to film?
No, I had business here, but I was filming to make sure that my rights weren't violated while I was here, that's all. It's for my safety, the same way that you guys wear body cameras and stuff like that. So, that's all. It's a First Amendment protected activity.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yep,
Yeah, yeah.
yep.
You should feel safe.
I don't, unfortunately.
Why?
I think we both know the answer to that question, sir. I think we both know the answer to that question, sir.
No, I don't.
Well,
I don't. Can you explain it to me?
no, you should watch the news, sir.
don't feel safe?
I don't feel safe with 3 other people standing around me.
Oh,
There's
you
multiple
should.
people
You should
inside
feel
the
safe.
door.
Yeah, but they're not asking me for ID unlawfully or anything,
He
so.
wants to know why he can't film inside.
I was just asking. I didn't have a problem with turning it off or anything like that. I was just under the impression, in the courtroom I can't film, but in the public lobbies and stuff like that, in publicly accessible areas.
Because we don't want you videotaping the security process that's going on in there.
Well, I wasn't videotaping the security process. I put my camera down and let it go through the thing. So,
The rules of the court, you're not allowed to.
well, can I see a copy of those rules or something, sir? Because the Constitution, the First Amendment of the Constitution says I have a right to film in public and publicly accessible areas. I can't film in private areas, which is the courtroom. You're right. I can't film the secure checkpoint, and I can't film people making transactions at the counter with their credit card or their personal information. But I can film in public.
Are you done yet?
No, I'm not. I can film in public and publicly
check
accessible
for you.
areas. Thank you, sir. And wait, sir, your name?
You don't want to give it.
Okay. You want to identify yourself, sir? I'm sorry. Can you identify yourself, sir? Can you identify yourself, sir? Can you
That's my name
can you
right there, sir.
articulate it?
It's articulated right there on my chest, sir.
Now, is that spelled R-I-G-H-T or W-R-I-T-E? How do you spell right? Is that what you would tell the judge, sir? It's a nice first name, sir. I like that.
What do you get out of this?
I just make sure that you guys aren't infringing
No,
upon
I'm
my
asking,
rights. That's all.
What do you get out of this?
I'm not trying to
You
receive.
think this is fun?
I'm not trying to receive
this
anything.
fun for you?
I'm not trying to receive anything, sir.
No, I'm saying, is this fun for you?
I'm not trying to get anything, sir. I'm trying to conduct my business.
But you feel unsafe.
I'm trying to go about conducting
you're
my
Mr.
business.
Paul?
Positions.
Who?
Mr. Palter,
Palter? I don't know who that is, sir.
the name that's on that paperwork right there.
Hold on a second.
Does this say Palter?
Oh, Falter.
Oh.
So you
That's
feel
you?
unsafe, but yet you put yourself in positions where people that you are
Well, I
scared
shouldn't.
of
I shouldn't have to feel
have
unsafe
to
in
come
a.
around.
I shouldn't have to feel
and
unsafe
talk
in a
to you.
public courthouse, sir.
and
I
talk
shouldn't.
to you.
I shouldn't have
Does
to.
that make sense?
No, it doesn't. I shouldn't have to feel
No, it
unsafe in a
doesn't.
public courthouse. So I don't know why
It
you guys are
doesn't.
making me feel that way.
No, you're
We're
making
making
you're
you-
making
Absolutely.
yourself
We
feel
got
that
the call
way.
here for you.
And I don't.
making yourself
I don't
feel
understand what I did wrong for them to call you
You're
here.
recording.
Okay, and that's against. And I'm asking you. That's against what law or what statute or what penal code? I'm asking you.
Okay. To answer your question, Lieutenant Barnes, Maryland
Uh-huh.
County Police.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
They're in the process of looking for the documentation
Okay.
now to actually
That's
provide
fine.
for you.
Okay.
So just hang tight,
All right.
and we'll go from there.
That's fine. Sir, can I get you to identify yourself? Sergeant Chang. Thank you, sir. Can you get this gentleman to identify himself? He just keeps saying it's right here.
Here's
I
my
don't.
name tag.
I don't know how. Would you spell that? How do you spell name tag, sir?
Officer Smith.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for identifying your officer.
So,
Can you identify yourself, sir?
do you have any business?
I do have legal business here, sir. Yeah.
What business do you have?
I'd rather not divulge that, sir.
So you don't have a meeting with anybody or anything like that?
Do I have to have a meeting scheduled to enter this public courthouse?
I just asked you.
No, I don't, sir. Unfortunately, no. I did not set one up.
That's fine. That's fine. So would you like me to set you up with a
No,
meeting?
no, I'm good. I was trying to do my business before they interrupted me. That's all. I was trying to fill out some FOIA requests or figure out where it is I go to fill out the FOIA request, whether it was here, a FOIA request, a Freedom of Information Act request. I didn't know if I filled it out with the court clerk or if there was like a city hall or a town hall that I would go to fill out this FOIA request to get some information, some public information. That's all I asked. I didn't go in there and scream and yell. I went through the checkpoint. I put my camera down. I simply asked them, you know, hey, is this where I fill it out? If this is the information I'm trying to get, is this where I fill the document out? Or do I go somewhere else and do that? She instantly said, let me find out. Got her supervisor, came over and got mad and said, you can't film me without my permission, She works for the public. Unfortunately, there's no expectation of privacy in public, sir. This is a First Amendment protected activity. I simply stated that to her, and she said, well, hold on, I'll get the bailiffs. They came in and made a big stink of it because I've already had issues with them. I've already filed complaints on them. I filed complaints on your department as well. So they're very upset with me before they even get up here. And I simply, in this same manner, stated to them that what I'm doing is a First Amendment protected activity. There were no signs on my way in that said I couldn't videotape or record in the lobby. In the courtroom is private areas. I cannot do it inside of there. I cannot videotape the gentleman inside that clerk's office doing his transaction of his credit card with at the counter. I was not videotaping that. I was 3 cubicles away videotaping me and my business. I simply asked them to show me the documentation that said I wasn't allowed to do that, where it said that, because the only sign that says anything about electronic devices, like I said, says in the courtroom under Maryland Rule 116.
Okay.
That's all I asked for. I said I have no problem turning the camera off. I have no problem leaving the building if what I'm doing is unlawful. I have no problem doing any of that, sir. I just wanted to be shown proper documentation that what I was doing was unlawful. because the First Amendment of the United States Constitution grants me the permission to film in public and publicly accessible areas. That includes anything that I can see from public with the public eye, unless a border of security is established. Can I get you to identify yourself, sir?
No.
Okay. I really wasn't trying to make a big stink out here, Terrence. I really was just trying to fill out some information, do some lawful requests, go about my business, and leave. That's why I didn't cause a big stink over the medical questions. That's why I didn't cause any of that. I went in there. I went through your screening the way that I'm supposed to, or the way, not that I'm supposed to, the way that you guys think I should, and that's fine. I complied with your unlawful mandates and your unlawful orders, and that's okay. Now I'm being disrupted from doing my business, and no one can tell me why. How you doing? Cold. Freezing out here. Sergeant Chang, I just want to confirm that even out here, this is public property right here, correct? This. Give me 1 second. You see this guy? #1 bullshit guy. He do the wee woo thing. You're probably too old to get that. People are gonna love it.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? #1 bullshit guy. He do the wee woo because he have to go in front of the traffic. Look what I do. 22 and he do wee woo.
So Sergeant Chang, can you just confirm for me that this sidewalk out here is public property, correct? This is public property? I just want to confirm that I'm standing on public property. I don't want to be having any issues with where I'm standing and what I'm doing. I just want to confirm that what I'm doing is on public property, correct, sir? Can you clarify that for me, sir?
I've already clarified that.
This is public property. Okay,
yes.
okay. No, you guys said he said I think so.
Well, I'm clarifying.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. With
Isn't that a character? It's a character, right?
a character? No. It's called a meme. It's a meme, yeah.
What is it?
I guess it's some guy in India, and he goes, this guy right here, #1 bullshit guy. He do the wee woo thing. And I guess it was some like funny joke over there, but it's a sound clip that is reused a lot. I just figured it would be a perfect time to drop that one in there.
And I'm the perfect guy for that?
#1 bullshit guy.
I'm the perfect one for that?
#1 bullshit guy. Cochran v. California, 1971, if you think my language is offensive, sir.
Yeah, that's all right. I feel like I'm looking at the #1 bullshit guy, but
Yep.
other than that,
You must be staring at that mirror over there.
yeah. Okay. At least you're having fun. That's all.
I'm not having fun, sir. I'm actually cold out
At
here.
least you're having fun. That's all that matters.
I got a medical condition that actually causes me to have a rare form of blood flow, and it's very cold out here, so I'd rather be on the inside in public areas where I wasn't breaking the law. I didn't cause a disturbance, sir. I didn't cause a disturbance. I was just doing lawfully protected activities and going about my business.
People that are normally cold don't stand outside.
Well, I'm standing outside because I don't want to cause any issues. I don't want you guys to legally detain me for 6.5 hours again, sir. That's fine. #1 bullshit guy. Yep. He's from like Calcutta or something like that. I'm sorry, sir?
Then you wouldn't be causing a disturbance if you left.
Well, I wasn't causing a disturbance inside, to be fair. I didn't cause a disturbance. The reason you were called here is because she didn't like that I was filming her. Now, what I was doing, Jesus H, what I was doing was completely legal, sir.
Anybody else in there filming?
What I was doing was completely
Do you
legal.
see anybody else in there filming? No, you don't.
Does everybody have to film, sir? I'm just confused. If I jumped off a bridge, would you do it just because I was doing it?
I sure would.
Okay, cool. So again, what I was doing was lawful, sir. Just because it upset her is regardless. You guys are law enforcement and not feelings enforcement. It obviously upset her.
Everybody else in there follows the rules.
Sir,
except you.
the rules don't trump my rights granted by the Constitution, unfortunately.
Yeah, they do.
They don't, sir.
Yes, they do.
A rule does not trump my rights.
We're not gonna entertain them anymore.
Okay.
Okay? We're not gonna entertain them.
Okay. I was polite. I told you I turned the camera off. I left the building. I didn't argue with you inside the lobby. I left to have this conversation. I just simply asked for the documentation. I told you I had no problem turning the camera off from the moment you made contact with me, sir. But you made contact with me, right or wrong. Then you need to identify yourself. Yeah. Am I being detained for anything out here right now? Am I being detained by anybody right now?
You're free to leave.
No? Okay, well if I'm free to leave, then I'm free to stay. Cool.
You want a documentation. We're trying to get that for you.
Okay, yep,
Okay.
Absolutely.
So we'll stay quiet until
All
we
right.
get that.
Okay.
You can go in, sir.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't know why they're obstructing the walkway. I don't know what's going on. They're obstructing the walkway. I'm not sure.
I feel like everything pertains to.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nothing pertains to him.
Sure.
Yes.
Woo. It's cold out here. And you know it's hot out here for a pound. You watch the 3-6 Mafia versus, you see Terrence Howard come out and rip that shit? He came out and hit the Hustle and Flow joint with him. That was serious. And you know it's hot out here for a pound. And you trying to get his money for a round. For the Cadillac and gas money spent. We'll have a whole lot of bitches jumping shit. Would you know about it? You don't know that, Terrence? You ain't know about it. That's gonna be stuck in my head all day now. It's taking a long time to find a rule that you guys apparently enforce all the time. This is such a well-known rule, it probably should have been documented at the front door or something, but and then so now how do I get into your guys' actual department? Because I need to make a stop there and talk to Captain Labs or Captain Mays or somebody after this. So how is it that I get into your guys' department? Is the entrance around back, sir? Is that entrance around back, sir, to get into the Capitol Police Annapolis Division, sir?
29 St. John.
29 St. John's? Okay. Because you guys came from around there. And anytime Chadwick or Lane runs out here, they run out from over there. So, yeah. Where are you guys stationed at that's around this corner? Are you guys just sitting in the parking lot that's over there? That's for court employees only, or? Ooh, it's getting cold out here. You guys find that documentation yet? I'd like to go back inside and finish conducting my business, sir. Ah, yes, this guy. That guy. Oh, he's gonna come out here and start crying. I know it. Here he goes. It's getting cold out here. Being silly.
You were tired and got right back to your ways. I know, I said I could retire and go to relax.
Put my glasses back on. I got my mask. I'm gonna fog it up outside. Ma'am, do you work here, or you just? I don't want to videotape you if you're just a private citizen. But if you work here, then I don't have an issue with that. That's all.
Oh, I don't want you to videotape me at all, honey, please.
But you work here?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay, all right. How you doing? If you gentlemen can't find any documentation, I'd like to go back about my business, please. What's the time limit for unreasonable detainments? 20 minutes?
You're not detained.
It's been okay. So you're saying I'm free to? So I'm free to go back inside and conduct my business, though, right?
You're not recording.
Well, what law am I breaking by recording in the?
Getting the information.
Well, you can't find it, so I can't sit out here. You're free to go in. You're okay. It's okay. You guys can't find any documentation, but yet I'm not allowed to go back inside and finish my business. I'd have been gone by now. It's okay. It's cool. They're just trying to get themselves in trouble. Here we go. Maybe he's got some documentation for me.
Under Maryland Rules and Regulations 16208, you're not
Okay.
allowed to videotape or bring any electronic device inside the district court. So what I have to tell you is, under that order, if you bring it back in, we're going to lock you up for trespass.
Okay, sir, that's fine. Now, I'm going to go and check this out and make sure it's legal
You're
and this
more
wasn't
welcome
just
to.
typed up over there or anything like that.
No, it was actually pulled off, but you're more
Okay.
welcome to do your due diligence and do
I will,
what you
yeah,
have to
but I just want to make sure that you guys knew that as soon as someone said an issue or as soon as he came up
Oh,
and I
I'm
made
good. Yeah, you can
contact, I had
straight
no
forward,
problem
man.
turning
Yeah.
my camera off, walking
Exactly.
outside,
You're
anything
good.
like that. Okay, cool.
You're totally
My
good.
next thing is I need to get into your guys' office. I have a couple issues there. You guys illegally stole my car, and I need to deal with that. I need to talk to Captain Mays or Captain Labs.
Okay.
So I need to get into your guys' department, the headquarters for the
Yeah, it's
Annapolis
open
division.
downstairs, yeah.
Down here? Okay.
I gave you the address.
Well,
Yeah.
I asked if it was around the side. He gave me the address. I said, is that around the side?
no,
He kept saying 79 St. John's or
Spin around,
something.
bro. All right, so what you want to do is you're going to come right down Route Boulevard.
Uh-huh.
Just if you put in your GPS 29 St. John Street.
29 St. John Street?
If you go all the way to Calvert Street, you make
Uh-huh.
a left, and
Uh-huh.
the building's right there. It's a white and brick building.
All right, cool.
Can't miss it. But if you put in your GPS 29 St. John's, it'll take
Yeah.
you right there.
All right, cool.
And actually, Captain Labs is down there. She'd be more than happy to talk to you.
Awesome. Thanks, boss. I
Good luck,
appreciate you.
brother.
And your name was
Hey,
again,
do
sir?
you have any ID on you? So we have to do a report on this.
No, I don't have any ID, sir,
Mr. Fowler,
unfortunately.
right? Terrence
What,
Fowler?
can you give me your name?
No, unfortunately, sir. I'd
Okay.
rather not. I'd rather not divulge that
So
information.
we gave you our names, but you don't.
Well, you guys work for the public, unfortunately.
I understand that.
I'm just a private
I was
citizen.
just asking.
No, I know. But
Mr. Fowler.
that's the difference between you asking and demanding, right? Is I don't have to.
Absolutely. That's
Okay.
why I asked you.
All right, that's
Yeah,
fine. All right.
Okay.
Well, thank you, sir.
All right,
Appreciate you.
you need anything else from us?
No, I'm gonna hop on my flying Nimbus and head on down to 29 St. John
You
Street.
have a great day, sir.
All right,
Enjoy
you
the
too.
rest of it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?